Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So like I promised, I'm going to do more natural hair updates over here, and I know you've been requesting them back to back, so here you go. So I just washed my hair today. In the next clip I will tell you what I washed it with and the products also used. So here's my natural hair. It's still damp a little bit, dry. It's like, you know, maybe 80% dry. And those curls are very beautiful, and I don't know what type of grade of hair my hair is. There's no such thing. I don't know what curl pattern is, so hey, whatever you think it is, that's what it is. So I'll see you guys in my next clip. Love you guys. I'm out. Guys, so this is a natural hair update. I just finished washing my hair, and I just finished putting some conditioner on it. Let me set my camera up so I can sit down and show you. Hold on. Okay, so I just finished washing my hair. I washed it with some shampoo and conditioner from Dollar Tree, and then I went in with my expensive stuff. This is Bella Curls coconut whipped cream leave-in conditioner. You know, so it's good for natural hair and it's safe for color treated hair and all that stuff. So here's my hair, my curl pattern. I try to get it popping a little bit, but I'm not gonna wear it though. But you know, that pull out game, not no pull out game, but that stretch game and lean check is everything. It's like, you know. Down there, you see how short my front looks. I just love my curls. I don't know like what you call it, the curl pattern it is, but it's beautiful. And this is what it looks like. Isn't it pretty? So I don't know what pattern it is. Everybody like, oh, what your curl pattern is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P. Yeah, we don't know the curl pattern. I don't think y'all even know. But anyway, it's beautiful, whatever it is. It's beautiful. So I got the leave-in conditioner and that's feeling all soft. I think I'm gonna let it air dry, and then I'm going to braid it down and probably install my unit. Because the fair is here, and tonight is hubby and I night. So we may go to the movies or we may go to the fair. You know, we don't know which one we want to do yet. But I wanted to show you guys my hair update because you guys wanted to see it. And the lean check and all that stuff. So this is what it's looking like. Then I'm going to moisturize, I'm going to oil my scalp with this oil I got from Dollar Tree, and I love it. I love it. Let me show you what it is too. It's this oil right here. It's from Via Naturals, and it's a Ultra Care coconut oil. Promotes stronger, shiny hair, and healthier hair. Moisturizes skin, cuticles, nails. Concentrate natural oils. Moisturizing oil for hair, scalp, and body. And that's what it looks like. And I like it because it has a tip on it, so it makes it easy for me to moisture, like oil my girl's scalp. Especially when they have the crochets in. So I just go in like this and just go through my hair and squeeze some oil in there. You know, making sure everything is oil. I don't want to do my edges too much because I know my lace may get on that. And put nice amounts of everywhere. The hair be thirsty too, you know. Just like you be thirsty, your hair be thirsty. So you want to make sure we try to get each and every part of our hair in our scalp. And then once I'm finished, I like to put some in my hand and rub on my actual hair. And sorry if you hear the kids, they always fussing about something. So now, yeah. So now that I've done that, the oil like is nice and thick. My sunlight is messing me up. I didn't feel like putting up my photo lights and all that stuff. It's not this morning. I'm not in the mood for all that. Because I have so much to do today. So, and it's thick, so it's locking it in. A lock method. I forgot what they call it. Or conditioner, maybe something. I don't know. Oh wow. My hair looks nice. Can y'all see this? Let me stand up so you can see this. I have to tap it. There. It may mess up on my face, but as long as you see like my hair, it's the only thing that matters. I'll try to see too. Cause it's so pretty. It's so pretty. And you will never think how dried up it is that, you know, it'll look like this. So, what I'm going to do is go ahead and, I was going to braid it down while it's wet, but I don't think I should. There you go, you can see. But I like to see my pattern. When I comb it out, I part a piece. And then I comb it out. And I like to watch it just curl back up like that. Just look at my little curly. Look at my little curly. And so, some people like to braid hair when it's damp because they feel like it's more easier to braid when it's damp. You know? But I can go ahead and try to braid some for you. Because I'm going to braid it anyway. Sometimes I can't tell if I'm grabbing the hair because my hands are moisturized and my hair is moisturized and they go to slip and whatnot. Ron, do you hear the children in there about to tear the house up? Okay, see that's a little too thin for my liking because I want like 5 or 6 plaits. So anyway, you guys, that's about it. And hopefully my update was good enough for you guys because I know you just want to see my hair and the update of it and how is it looking, how strong it is, how healthy it is. It's nice and thick. It's strong. It looks amazing. And I will be doing more natural hair tutorials for you guys also. And if you're not subscribed to Avis C TV, be sure to go on over and subscribe over there. You know. more beauty videos, mukbangs, everything. So a lot of things that get posted over there, I don't do over here anymore. You know, I'm trying to like transfer my channel. Like that's going to be more of the vlog channel, more for like my family and me and whatever that I choose to do. But more on ABC TV, it's more of going to be like a beauty channel and everything else. So I'm trying to transition. So I'll let y'all see my hair one more time before I go. All that. And if you want to know more about my hair, like if you want me to do something or use something or whatever, I mean, I'm very open to things like that. My hair, a little bit has came out since surgery, but I think it just was my hair and dead hair. I wouldn't just say it was surgery. So, but all I know, I do have chunks of hair that has came out. I'll probably post a picture in it too. But that's what my hair looks like. It's very, very nice. So, all right, you guys. Bye.